Hi there, I'm Alfred. Let me show you how to white label our product. Thanks to Meet Alfred's white label feature, you can deliver results while giving your clients or team access to campaigns, inboxes, and reports that showcase your agency's branding. Our white label feature allows account owners to personalize their workspace logos, colors, URLs, and email notifications. On the white label page, you'll find a toggle switch that enables or disables the white label functionalities. When you turn on this toggle, three sections will appear: branding, custom domain, and custom email. In the branding section, you can customize Meet Alfred's interface to match your company branding. You can add things like your company name, 3 sets of logos, and choose your preferred color scheme. As you make these changes, you'll see a real-time preview on the right-hand side of the screen. Once you're satisfied with your setup, simply click on Apply Branding Settings to save your changes. In the Custom Domain section, you will find the option to create a custom URL. This will enable you and your additional accounts to use Meet Alfred's automation features through the designated URL instead of accessing the account via meetalfred.com. To configure the domain, please follow the instructions provided on the screen and by your web host. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Apply Custom Domain before leaving the screen. If you can't locate these fields on your screen, please reach out to our customer support team for assistance. Lastly, under the Custom Email section, you can set up the Sent From and Reply To email address that is used for sending system notifications across accounts. Typically, these emails come from help@meetalfred.com. After entering the required information in the field, remember to click on Apply Email Settings to save the changes. You can also send a test email before applying any changes to verify your setup. It's important to keep in mind that if you set up a custom domain without completing this custom email step, all system notification emails will display our Meet Alfred branding. To have a better experience, we highly recommend setting up these two options at the same time. If you have any questions about how this feature works, please refer to our Help Center for comprehensive step-by-step guides on successfully setting up the functionalities. Alternatively, you can also contact our friendly customer support team, who is standing by to assist you. I'm Alfred. I look forward to helping you again.